Today we're going to be reading our vocabulary reader, The Loch Ness Monster by Michaela Halcón. This book tells about the search over many years for a monster in a lake in Scotland called Loch Ness. As we read, I want you to follow along, and when you hear one of our vocabulary words we're working on for this week, I want you to read it with me and give me a thumbs up. The Loch Ness Monster. Many people say that a monster lives in a lake in Scotland. Some people call it Nessie because the lake is named Loch Ness. Other people do not believe that Nessie is real at all. Loch Ness. So some people believe that a monster named Nessie lives in Loch Ness. Do you think that's possible? Why or why not? Many ordinary people have reported seeing Nessie. In 1933, two people saw a giant animal in the lake. News reporters and other people rushed to Loch Ness. There were so many people that things got out of control. Some people wanted to find Nessie and put the monster in a cage. So when a giant animal was first spotted in the lake, so many people came that things got out of control. Some people wanted to find Nessie and put the monster in a cage. Does that sound like a good plan? Why or why not? A newspaper hired a hunter to find Nessie. His name was Marmaduke Wetherell. He made copies of some big footprints and took them to a museum. But the scientists at the museum were suspicious. They said Wetherell used stuffed hippo feet to make the prints. In 1934, someone took a picture of Nessie and it became a famous photo. It made many people believe that Nessie was real. So we just read that one man tried to trick people with proof that Nessie was real. Others were suspicious about the man's proof. They did not trust that the proof was real. Look at this photo on page 5. It was taken in 1934. Do you think it proves that Nessie was real? Why or why not? In 1979, Alistair Boyd saw a large animal in the lake. It moved like a whale, and he wanted to know more about it. He also wanted to know more about the famous picture from 1934. He talked to many people. Boyd heard that a family had played a trick. The family had a model of a monster. They placed it on a boat in Loch Ness. Then the family took a photo. People got upset when they found out about the trick. Other photos were not a trick. In 1960, Tim Dinsdale took photos of something huge moving under the water. He had some training as a scientist, so people listened to him. Soon, scientists came to the lake to track the monster, and scientists have come to the lake ever since. Look at this photograph here at the bottom of our page. Many scientists with training have come to the lake to look for Nessie. How might their training help them figure out the mystery of the Loch Ness Monster? Over many years, more than 4,000 people have reported seeing Nessie. Many sensible people report seeing an animal with a long neck, and some people even report flippers. Others say that these people are confused and that there is no monster. Now, our text says that some sensible people believe they have seen Nessie. Others think they are confused and that Nessie is not real. Why might people be confused about the truth about this monster? Alistair Boyd proved that the 1934 photo was a fake, but he still believes Nessie is real. And so do thousands of other people. Maybe one day someone will prove them right. Let's take a look at our responding target skill word builder. When someone acts suspiciously, you get suspicious. Then what do? Copy this word web below and add things you do if you are suspicious about something. It says suspicious in the middle. What do you do? Well, you listen. You might ask questions. You might investigate. What else might you do? Sorry, if you are suspicious about something. Finish your web. Then, have you read other books about scary or mysterious animals? Use a few sentences to write a response paragraph about an animal from another book. Use words from the word builder. Great job listening today, friends, and using your vocabulary words. I can't wait to see your webs and read about your other mysterious animals.